welcome back. Today is Friday and I am headed back out to the Ozarks this weekend. We are doing the Ozark Overland Adventures subscriber run, so it should be a lot of fun. But first, I'm going to stop in here and get me some lunch. I am desperate for some Chick-fil-A whenever I'm sitting through this traffic. Take a look at this. This is the turn-in to get in to Chick-fil-A. Anyway, all right, lunch was good, and we just stopped off at Harps in West Fork to top off our fuel tanks, and I think I'm gonna stop in Winslow at the Mountaintop Gun Shop and check out what they got going on today. All right, just stopped off to see our friends at the Mountaintop Gun Shop in Winslow, Arkansas, not Arizona. Anyway, now it's on to meet everybody at the camp. So stay tuned. Winfrey Valley Road, crooked and steep. It's my kind of road. Oh yeah.
Hey, bud, did you sleep with the rock last night?
No.
You didn't?
No.
A rock?
Yeah, all them rocks were around the fire, and they were like hot. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go throw one in the tent.
Oh dang.
Pour some water on there in the middle of the night. Have me a little sauna thing going.
It's like 76 at my house.
Yeah, we had that discussion today too about
we turn it up.
fighting over the thermostat.
Yeah. Well, I lost, my weight, and so it's like.
You get cold. You know what? Also happens when you turn 40.
Oh really? Well, I'm not there yet.
Well, my wife hit 40. My wife hit 40. She's like, oh, it's so cold. I'm like, nah, I don't believe you. I turned 40. And literally the next day, I'm like, why is it so cold? She's like, told you.
Well, maybe that'll happen for him at 50.
Are you recording my conversation?
Oh, yes.
You sure are.
What was you saying about your wife earlier, John?
She said she was beautiful and she likes it to be really nice and warm because her heart needs the warmth.
I've never seen that. Hang out for new volcano.
I want a scuttle. Arla, you stole my scuttle that I didn't even sign up for.
And then I stole the second one.
For sure. My birthday's coming up.
He's got a...
my birthday.
Mason's got a rooftop tent on there right now. I was like, watch me win that someday. And then I'm going to have to contact
I need to look at this.
Aaron and Artemis and be like, yeah,
No pressure.
No pressure. Just get it on there.
I think that's good.
It holds the heat in better, man. Is that what that's for?
I'm gonna pull my tacos out.
Contaminated.
I'm gonna pull my tacos out. I like mine need a little bit more.
This looks like quite the setup over here, Brad.
Working on it, man. Hopefully it will be a delicious dessert. That's my volcano. Come see.
You forgot the choo-choo.
Yeah. I'll squirt some oil in there in a little bit. But see how all the heat comes out the hole? So it's more of an oven.
I'm not going to make a comment on that.
You were going to say, is that what she said?
Yep. That's where I was going.
GoPro's live, folks. There we go.
I guess when you throw a softball, somebody's got to swing at it.
That's right. Are you done?
Yeah.
Shut that puppy down.
So, Tony, this is how you use a scuttle.
This is it, huh? Scuttle 101 with Sarah McCullen.
Yeah. I've learned how to scuttle now. I can purchase one and say I can do it. It's just constantly, it's about the motion.
Yes.
The motion of the ocean, huh?
I didn't go there.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. As soon as Tony...
No comment from the peanut gallery over there.
As soon as Tony about to spit out whatever he had in that damn mouth, I was like, well, we are now here. We have made it.
Oh, Lordy. Matt's going to need some of that footage.
Oh, it's all available.
What am I going to be?
Your wife.
I'm going to be my wife?
No, you're going to need the footage.
Oh.
You should be.
Yeah.
Somebody pulled the plastic off the
I think this is good.
right there. Just that one.
You want to
right
hand me
there.
the veggie one?
I won't even open that other one unless...
Oh, the veggie? Here.
We need a spoon.
A spoon.
Oh.
Oh, ask and ye shall receive. I'm busy at the moment, though.
Un momento.
Well, it needs to go in that pico de gallo. I don't think anybody wants a serving spoonful of it.
We lived in Jonesboro. She's like, it's because you're friends with him on Facebook. I'm like, no.
I understand that.
Tony, yes, you need a big spoon.
Got a big spoon? You're killing me, Smalls.
Where's it at? I'll go get it. Where's it at? I'll go get it.
It's over on the stump over there in the dishwasher pile.
Okay, whoever decided this was a good idea.
What?
The chip thing.
I know.
Stump over there.
Stephanie did first.
That's a genius.
And then I followed with mine on top of the tortilla.
Is that just because you dumped it in the water?
Now I can just wrap it in the
Dumped it in there?
I didn't get any chips until now.
a bottle of water over there somewhere.
We're stepping into that.
He's right here, yeah, somewhere. He was. Just stepping right down there because his wife, fiance, whatever she is, doesn't like eating in front of people. So,
I got it. Where's them tongs at? Hey, actually.
This is the best thing I've ever had. This is so good. Matt, did you have a gumbo? What seasoning is that? Can I taste from that? What seasoning can I taste from it? It's like not cinnamony, but kinda.
I like your wood tongs.
No, I like cayenne. It just tastes.
He's got a couple more coming, but he doesn't know how far behind they are, so we'll just wait it out. Here come the other ones. We're going to pull up as high as we can right here. There you go, Amy. There's your overlanding rig right there. I'm impressed. I'll help you get down here. Just give me a second.
just wanted to hop on here real quick and wrap up the video. Big shout out to Ozark Overland Adventures, Matt. Thank you for this event. I had a great time. Met some new friends, some great wheeling, lots of good food. And again, to you guys, I just wanted to say thank you. If you're still watching, I really appreciate your support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, thanks for watching.